In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an initiative issue type and add it to your advanced roadmaps hierarchy in Jira. If you've ever tried to organize large strategic goals above epics and felt like Jira was making that harder than it should be, you're definitely not alone. For teams managing cross-project work, portfolio planning, or executive level roadmaps, getting the hierarchy set up correctly makes a huge difference. Once it's configured, tracking high-level initiatives becomes much cleaner and much easier to manage. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page, then wait for your Jira home screen to load. From there, move to the top right corner and click the settings gear. This is where you'll access the site level configuration you need for the hierarchy setup. After opening settings, choose issues. That takes you into the issue configuration area for your Jira site. On the left-hand side, find and click issue types. This section lets you view and manage the different issue types available in your environment. If initiative doesn't already exist, click add issue type, enter initiative as the name, and then click create. This gives you a dedicated issue type for high-level strategic work instead of trying to force that information into an epic or another standard ticket type. Once the issue type has been created, go back to the left navigation menu and find the Advanced Roadmaps section. Click Advanced Roadmaps Hierarchy Levels. Here, you'll define where initiative sits in relation to your other work item levels. Find the initiative issue type you just created and position it one level above Epic. This is the key step that allows Jira to treat initiatives as a higher level planning layer. When that looks correct, click Save Changes. Now it's time to create your first initiative. At the top of the screen, click the blue Create button. In the Issue Creation window, first choose the correct project from the drop-down list. Then open the Issue Type drop-down and select Initiative. In the summary field, enter a short, clear title for the business goal you want to track. It's a good idea to keep the title specific and easy to scan, especially if this will appear on executive or portfolio views. Next, scroll down to the description field and add the important details for the initiative, such as objectives, milestones, budget context, or key delivery targets. When everything looks good, click Create in the bottom right corner. Your new initiative is now live in Jira and ready to be used in advanced roadmaps. From here, you can connect related epics beneath it and start building a much more useful high-level planning structure. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.